This is going to be a conceptual self-portrait. So let's break that down. First off, what is a portrait? A portrait is a picture of a person. What is a self-portrait? A self-portrait is a picture of yourself that you create of yourself. What does conceptual mean? Conceptual means relating to concepts. Concepts are ideas. So when something is conceptual, it's talking about ideas. A conceptual self-portrait would be a picture of yourself that is not a photograph of yourself, but deals with ideas of who you are and what you are interested in, or what makes you who you are. So for this conceptual self-portrait, you're going to have to think about how you would describe yourself. I would like you to write down 3 to 7 words that you would use to describe yourself. Once you've done that, the next step is to find between 5 and 10 objects that you feel represent you. Now, you're going to take these objects that you collect from around your house, and you're going to organize them in an interesting way. And you're going to take a photograph of them. Keep in mind that this is an art project, so the way that you organize your things should be interesting and should be memorable. You'll notice that some of the examples I'm showing you are in black and white, and that's an option too. You could do black and white. You could change the contrast to make it very dramatic, meaning very bright whites, very dark blacks. So that's a possibility as well. Once you've taken the photograph of your conceptual self-portrait, the last thing I'd like you to do is think about, if someone was looking at your self-portrait, what would you want them to know about you? This is based on the objects that you've chosen. Okay, so just to sum up, for the project this week, you're going to be collecting items that represent yourself. You're going to be organizing them in an interesting way, to take a photograph of them, and there are 3 questions that you need to answer. 3 to 7 words that describe you, and then 5 to 10 objects that represent you. And then the last one is, if someone was looking at your self-portrait, what would you want them to know about you? Okay, so when you submit your photograph to Google Classroom, you need to also answer these 3 questions. That will also be part of the project. Okay, I'm really looking forward to seeing what you do. I know most of you quite well, so let's see if I can recognize you through your artwork. Remember to have fun and be creative, and I'll see you next time. Bye.